Are you considering buying a rental property in a college town? Hey y'all, I'm Erica Parker. Today we're discussing the good, the bad, and the ugly of investing in college towns. So let's dive in. College towns are unique markets that offer a variety of benefits that make owning rental property a lucrative and rewarding experience. They have numerous advantages that make them attractive to landlords. First, college towns tend to have a large and growing population of young people who are seeking rental housing. This population of renters is reliable and can provide a steady stream of income for landlords. In addition, there's a large pool of prospective tenants to choose from. College students, or in most cases their parents, rarely buy a property to live in. College towns also have a diverse housing market of single-family homes, condos, and apartments, which means that landlords have the opportunity to offer a range of rental options to their tenants. These towns can also tend to have a higher number of businesses, which can provide landlords with additional income through commercial rental properties. In addition to a reliable and diverse rental market, college towns also offer landlords the benefit of location and appreciation. Universities often become entrenched in their local economy, and new businesses, amenities, and attractions spring up, bringing value and appreciation to the area. The cost of living in college towns is generally lower than the average cost of living in other areas. In addition, universities that are thriving then tend to have rent increases, creating stability in climbing rents. Finally, college towns have less vacancy time. With a constant fresh influx of students each year, the rental demand in the market stays strong. As a bonus, in times of recessions, such as we are in right now, I see a growing number of people going back to school and staying longer for graduate degrees. Therefore, recessions actually see a greater increase in the rental demand pool. Overall, owning rental property in a college town can be a great and lucrative decision for landlords. However, I wouldn't be shooting you straight if I didn't address the drawbacks to owning a rental in a college town. First off, college towns tend to have a high turnover rate, making it difficult to maintain consistent rental income. Students often move out of their rental units at the end of the school year or when they graduate, leaving landlords to find new tenants. This can be more time-consuming than in a place with long-term tenants, which they move in for the schools or proximity to work. Second, the unreliability of tenants can be frustrating. College students often don't have existing credit, rental history, or jobs. Therefore, they can be unreliable when it comes to paying rent on time. Third, there are usually damage and maintenance issues. College towns often have more wear and tear on rental properties due to the large number of students living in close quarters. And let's be honest, this is their first time on their own. With this newfound freedom sometimes comes laziness, ignorance, and naivety. This can lead to more frequent repairs such as clogged toilets and maintenance costs from lack of regard to someone else's property. They may also be more likely to damage the property or leave it in disarray. This can lead to costly repairs and the need for frequent inspections. Finally, college towns often have stricter regulations for landlords that can be difficult to keep up with. This can include noise levels, parking, and tenant screening. My college town of Lubbock, let's go Red Raiders, actually had a law that stated that neighborhoods zoned for single-family homes, no more than 2 unrelated persons may live in a dwelling. Overall, owning rental property in a college town can be a profitable venture. But it's important to understand the potential drawbacks before investing. Make sure to research the local market and consider all of the potential benefits and risks before investing in a rental property in a college town. And if you're looking for more in-depth guidance, we're here to help. Reach out to us at info@bestlifetexas.com. Until next time, bye for now.